Welcome to DICE Academy. I am the Institute Director. My name is Gopal. So today we discuss about TS and AP I CET previous questions. So daily I will upload I CET important questions upload chesandi previous questions ani kuda upload chesamu. So మా ఛానల్ ని ఎవరైతే I CET aspirants ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని కూడా మీరు నోటిఫై చేసుకున్నట్టయితే చేసుకున్న విల్ గెట్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని మీకు వచ్చేస్తాయి టోటల్ గా. సో దట్స్ వై సో ట్రై టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మనకి ఇప్పటి నుంచి మీకు ఎవ్రీడే విల్ గెట్ I CET ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మీకు ఎవ్రీడే వస్తాయి, నోటిఫికేషన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మీకు అందరికీ కూడా ఈజీగా విని వస్తాయండి. ఓకే, నౌ వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద TS I CET ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్ పర్సంటేజ్ టాపిక్ మీద మనం ఈరోజు చూద్దామండి. పర్సంటేజ్ టాపిక్ మీద this is our institute logo, DICE Academy. Now we can go for the first question on percentages. Once again I am giving, so once again see here. So my name is Gopal. I am the institute director for DICE Academy. I will teach arithmetic and reasoning as well as pure maths also. From here onwards we can discuss about I CET previous problems on all chapters. So those who are interested, those who are I CET aspirants, please subscribe our channel, YouTube channel. You will get free of cost all the questions. So first of all, you can go to the previous questions. Afterwards, you can also see the question papers also. Daily I can upload all the things. Today we can see a very important topic in arithmetic, percentages. For all previous I CET questions I am discussing with you. Okay, now this is our logo, DICE Academy logo. Now I'm going for the questions directly. Topic percentages. See here, the first question is, in an election contested by two candidates A and B, A got 38%, 68% of votes and won by 72% votes. What is the strength of the electorate? So in an election, definitely there will be two candidates. One is the winning candidate, another is the defeated candidate. Those who will get more than 50%, he is the winning candidate. So the winning candidate, how many percent? 68% votes he got. Remaining votes goes to defeated candidate. 100 minus 68, 32% votes go to defeated candidate. So see, the person who got 50% will become a winner. So 68% goes to winner candidate and remaining votes goes to defeated candidate. So he was telling, in an election there were two candidates. A got 60% votes and won by 7,200, means difference of these two. He is telling the percentage. What is 68 minus 32%? 68 minus 32 is equal to, the value is equal to 36%. 36% votes is equal to how much? 7,200 was given. 36% is equal to 7,200. Our question is, what is the strength? Means total. Total means 100%, how much? Total 100%, how much? This is the question. So 100 into 7,200, 100 into 7,200 by these two upwards, this one term downwards, by 36. 36 one time, 200 times. So the answer is 20,000 votes is the required answer. 20,000 votes is the first answer. This is the first question. So a person who got 60%, he is a winning candidate. More than 50%, he is a winning candidate. Remaining votes goes to defeated candidate. Okay. Second question on this one. The population of a city increases constantly at the rate of 5% every year. If the current population of the city is 8,379, then the population for 2 years back is dash. So first of all, 2 years back, assume as X. 2 years back, the population is X. X into, it is increasing by 5% every year, means increasing means you have to add for 100 plus. 100 plus 5 is nothing but 105%. For the first year, it is 105% increase, 105 by 100. There are 2 years, you can take another 105 by 100. That is equal to the total population 8379. 8379. Suppose decrease means you can take 100 minus, increase means 100 plus. It is increasing 2 years, 5%, 5%. That's why X into 100 plus 5, 105%, 105 by 100. Second year, same 5%, 105 by 100. Suppose it decrease 100 minus 5, 95%. Decrease means you can take minus, increase you can take plus. Now, 521 times, 520 times, 521 times 520 times. Now 21 and 21 is 441. 441 strikes 19 times this value. So the final value x is equal to 20 into 20 into 19. So 19 fourths is 76. 7,600 is the required answer. The required answer is 7,600 is the required value. 7,600 required value. This is the second problem. Now go for the third problem. The ratio of Praveens income in 2019 and 2020 is 5:7. So he was telling 2019 is to 2020. The ratio is 5:7. Let us assume it is 5x, it is 7x. In 2010, the value is 5x. In 2020, it is 7x. In 2019, he spends 45% income and saves 4. So he is spending 45 means what is the saving? Saving is nothing but 100%. 100% minus this 45, you will get as 55% is saving. So now he is telling 50% value is nothing but 55% value is nothing but 4510. 55% value is nothing but 4510. Now, first of all, I am finding what is the total income. So 100% how much? 100% how much? 100 into 4510 by 55. 100 into 4510 by 55. So you will get the value of x is nothing but the value of x is nothing but, and cancellation with the 11 table, you will get the value is 8200, and cancel 11 5s and so on, you will get 8200. 8200. Now this is nothing but 5x value. 5x value is nothing but 5x value is equal to 8200. 5x is equal to 8200. X is equal to 8200 by 5, nothing but 1640. So this is the income on 2019. So now I want income on 2020 means 7 into x, 7 into that 1640 is the income of 2020. Now he spends 70% of income in 2020, then his saving is dash. So already he is spending 70%. In this one he is spending 70% spending, remaining is only 30%. So therefore 100% is equal to 100% of value is equal to 7 into 1640. But I want only saving is 30%. So for 30%, what is the value? 13%, 30%, what is the value? 30%, what is the value? Because 100 minus 70, saving is 30%. So the value is equal to 13. The value is 30 into 7 into 1640 by 100%. And cancellation, the required answer is nothing but 3264 is the required answer. 3128 is the required answer. Cancel the value is equal to 3128 is the required answer. This is the required value. First of all, let us assume 5x comma 7x. So 5 here in 2019 he is spending 45% means the saving is 100 minus 40, 50%. 55% is equal to 4510. What is the total income? Is 100% is how much? I got the answer is 8200. This is equal to 5x. The income of 5x is equal to 800. X is equal to 1640. So what about 2020? The total income is 7 into 1640. Total income. In this, he is spending 70%. Remaining is saving is 30% only. So 100% is equal to 7 into 160. For 30%, how much? On cancellation, the value becomes 30 into 7 into 1640 by 100%. The value is equal to 3128. 3128 is the required value. Now go for the fourth problem. I mean next problem. So dear students, these are the previous ranks we have got in DICE Academy. So Revati, he got 97th rank. Akshay, he got 126th rank. Varshit, he got 500 rank. And Anushka, he got 18th rank. So these are the ranks we are the previous ranks we got. So with hall ticket numbers, I am giving the values. So these are our ranks in previous years. Now go for the next problem. The salary of a person was increased by 20% and then raised by 10%. What is the change of salary? So this model we can do. Initially, you can assume 100 as the initial 100. Assume the salary is 100 rupees. First of all, increase means 100 plus. 100 plus 20 is nothing but 120%. 120 by 100. Second year decrease means 100 decrease 100 minus 90 by 100. So 100 becomes how much? 100 becomes what? So this 100 cancel, this 20 cancel. 12 nines are 108. 100 becomes 108 means how much increased? It is increased. 100 becomes 102 increased. How much increase means 108 minus 100. 8% increase is the answer. 8% increase is the answer. Increased by 8% is the required answer. Increased by 8% is the required answer. Now go for the next one. When 30 is subtracted from 120% of a number, the result is itself. The result is itself. What was the number? When 30 is subtracted from 120% of a number, the result is itself. What was the number? What was the number? So the meaning is 120% minus x, 120% minus 30 is equal to 100%. The result, when 30 is subtracted from 120% of a number, the result itself means nothing but number that is equal to 100%. 130 minus the 120% minus 30 is equal to 100%. If you send this 100 this side and 30 to that side, 100 minus 120, the value is 20%. 20% is equal to 30. So what is the number means? Nothing but 20% is equal to 100, 30. But I want full number, 100% how much? Full number, 100% how much? 100 into 30, 100 into 30 by 20. By 20 ones are 25s are. The full number is 150. Full number is 150. That this is the required answer. The question is, when 30 is subtracted from 120% number, the result is means 120% minus 30 is equal to itself means 100%. So 100 to this side, 120 minus 100, 20%, minus to that side 30. So 20% value is 30. I want the full number means 100%. How much? 100 into 30 by 20 on cancellation, the value is equal to 150 is the required value. Next question. So if x is 16% less, whenever 16% less, this model is coming, the formula is r by 100 minus r by 100 minus r into 100%. This is the formula. This is the formula. R by 100 minus r into 100. Whenever you got less, r% less means you can use this formula. If r% more means you can use in place of plus, minus, you can take plus. R% less means the formula is r by 100 minus r into 100% is the formula. If r% more means you can use the formula r by 100 plus r. This is an important problem. So r means it is 16 by 100 minus 16, the value is 84 into 100%. With 4 table, 4 4s are, 4 2s are, 4 1s are. So this is equal to, the value is equal to 400 by 21%. So this is our answer, 400 by 21%. On writing in the mixed fraction, the value is equal to 19 1 by 21% is the answer. So divide 400 with 21, 400 with 21. 21 19 says nothing but 399. Remainder is 1. 19 1 by 21 is the answer. 19 1 by 21 is the required answer. This is the required answer. If you go for the next problem, so whenever he was given r% less, problem starting less is there, then use the formula. Problem starting less is there, use the formula r by 100 minus r into 100. In the problem starting for r% more is there, use the formula r by 100 plus r formula can use. This is a very important model. Every time frequently coming this question. Now go for the next model. In the year 1990, the population of cities X and Y were same. 1990, the same population very same. From 1990 to 2000, the population X increased by 60%, while the population of Y is decreased by 60%. So in the year 2000, the population of Y is what percent of population X? So X is increasing, Y is decreasing. So X is increasing 100 plus 60 means 100 plus 60. Y is 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60. The value X is 160 and this is 40. So in 2000, the populations are X is 160 and Y is 40. So our question is, in the year 2000, the population of Y is what percent of X? So comparing with Y, so that's why 160 is equal to 100%. For 160, the value is 100%. Compare with Y, what is 40? 40% value, how much? This is the question. So 40 into 100, 40 into 100 by 160. These two comes upside, this downside by 160. By 160. 0 0 cancel, 4 1s, 4 4s are, 4 1s are 425s. So the answer is 25% is the answer. The required answer is 25% is the required value. So from 1990 to 2000, the x inverse 60% means x plus 60, 100 plus 60, y is 100 minus 60. So now the population of x becomes 160% and y becomes 40%. So the question is comparing with x, what is y? So 160 is equal to 100% for 40, how much? That is the value is 25% is the required value. Now go for the next problem. So here the price of petrol is increased by, already I told you, increase means what is the formula? R by 100 plus R, 100 plus R into 100% is the formula. This model is most probably coming this model. Already I told you before, previous problem it is less, now it is more. R by 100 plus R into 100% is the formula. So R means 40%, 40 by 140, 40 by 140 into 100. So 0 0 cancel, 2 2s are 2 7s are. So the value is 200 by 7%. 200 by 7% is the value. So this is equal, right on the mixed fraction, 200 divided with 7. 200 divided with 7. 7 2s are 14, remainder is 60. 7 8s are 56, remainder is 2. So the answer is 7, 28, 2 by 7 is the answer. 28, 2 by 7. Let's 4 by 7. So here the remainder is 4. So the answer is 28, 4 by 7. 4 by 7% is the answer. This is the answer. 28, 4 by 7. So already I told you previous month he was given less. Now he was given increasing more. So when more is there, the formula is R by 100 plus R into 100%. That's the formula. So by using the formula, the answer is 28, 4 by 7%. Next problem. Already this mode also we are done. In an election, a candidate who gets 84% votes is elected by a majority of 476 votes. What is the total number of votes? So winning candidate got 84%. Automatically remaining votes goes to defeated candidate. 16% votes goes to defeated candidate. What is the difference of here? 16 minus 14 minus 6, the value is 8. 68% votes is equal to, the number of votes is equal to 476. 476. 68% is equal to 476. I want the total number of votes means 100% how much? 100% how much? So these two cross multiplication, this one downwards. 100 into 476. 100 into 476 by 68. 68 1 times 7 times. So the answer is 700 is the required value. 700 is the total number of votes. So always I tell you more than 50% means he is a winning candidate. So winning candidate got 84%. Remaining votes goes to defeated candidate. 100 minus 84, 16%. Now he was telling the winning candidate got 7% votes more than defeated candidate. Means the difference he was telling. So the difference is 84 minus 16. 84 minus 16, nothing but 68. So the 68% is equal to 476. Then what is the total number of votes? 100%. How much? This is the question. Okay. So the final answer is 700 is the required values. Go for the next problem. So once again, these are our ranks, previous ranks. So in I CET we got these ranks. So please check out our institute. We are giving coaching CAT, MAT also. And also we are giving bank coaching also. Now go for the next problem. A person 2 by 7 of his salary on house rent and 3 by 5 of remaining on food and clothes, rest is saved. If the amount spent on food and clothes is 16,500, the amount saved is dash. Let us assume here he was giving 2 by 7. So let us assume the total salary is 700. Assume total salary is 700. Let total salary TS, total salary is equal to, assume as 700. Take a multiple of 7. Why? Because he was going 2 by 7. That's why let TS, total salary is equal to 700. Now in this total salary, house rent HR is how much? HR is equal to, house rent is equal to 2 by 7 of total. 2 by 7 of total. 2 by 7 to 700, that is equal to 200 rupees. 717. So what is the remaining amount? Remaining amount is equal to 700 minus 200. We got the remaining amount is 500. Now in this remaining amount, he is spending for foods and clothes is 3 by 5. So on food and clothes, FC, food and clothes is equal to 3 by 5 of remaining amount. Remaining amount is 500. So on food and clothes, he is spending 300 rupees. On food and clothes, he is spending 300 rupees. So finally, what is the remaining saving amount? Remaining saving amount is nothing but remaining amount is equal to 500 minus 300. 500 minus 300, that is equal to 200. This is the, if the amount he spent on food and clothes is 16,500, then the amount saved is dash. So he was spending on clothes on the spending on the clothes is 300%. 300 is equal to 16,500. Saving amount is 200. For 200, how much? This is the question. 300 value, food and clothes he is spending is 300. 300 is equal to 16,500. For 200, what is the question? This is the question. So now it is 2 zeros cancel. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 3 5s. So the answer is 55 into 200. Nothing but 11,000 rupees is the 11,000 rupees is the required saving amount. The saving amount is equal to 11,000 rupees the required saving amount. This is the required saving amount. Now go for the next model. If 23 1 by 3% of 37 2 by 7% of x is 29, then x is equal to dash. So 23 1 by 3% means expanded. 3 into 23, nothing but 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 2 6. Total is 70 by 3%. 70 by 3%. Off means into 32 7. So the LCM is 7. LCM is 7. 7 sons are 49. 49. 49, 4 is there, 21, 259. 259 plus 2, 261. 261 by 7% off and into x is equal to 29. This is the question he was given. 70% by 3 means 7 means 70 by 100. 70 by 100 into 70 by 100 into 3 into 261 by 7 into 100 into x is equal to 29. Finally, on cancellation, the value x is equal to 1000 by 3. The value of x is equal to, finally, and cancellation, the value is equal to 1000 by 3. 1000 by 3 means nothing but the value is 333 1 by 3% is the answer. 333 1 by 3% is the required value. On cancellation, the value becomes x is equal to 1000 by 3. So it becomes, the value becomes 333 1 by 3% is the required problem. So 23 1 by 3 means nothing but it is 69 plus 1 70 by 3. This value becomes 261 by, the value becomes 259. So it is equal to 21 plus 4, 259 by, so value. So the answer is 333 1 by 3% required value. Go for the next problem. If p% of 96 is equal to q% of 21, then 1 by 3% of 5q is dashed. So the model is p% of 96. P% of 96 is means is equal to q% of 21. Q% of 21. P% means p by 100 into 96 is equal to q by 100 into 21. So this 100 cancel, send 96 to the side. P by q. P by q is equal to 21 by 96. P by q is equal to 21. So therefore, from here, P is equal to 21. Q is equal to 96. Now our problem is 1 by 3% of this problem. 1 by 3p% of 1 by 3p%. 3p% of 5q. This is our question. Is equal to some x, assume. So 1 by 3p% means 1 by 3 into p is how much? 21. 21 by 100 into 5 into q. Q is 96. Q is 96 is equal to x. This is the value. So 100 goes upside. So now 3, this becomes, the value becomes, I'm writing here, x is equal to, so 100 goes upside, 100 into 5 into 96 by 3 into 21. 3 into 21. So now 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are. So 100 into 20, 100 into 5 into 32. Now there is no chance of cancellations. So I hope this is the percentage is by 100 only. It is 3p%. I hope 3p%. 1 by 3p%. I hope. So now we can. It is, the problem is nothing but like this. Not 1 by 3p. So this is 1 by 3p% of 5q is equal to x. So it becomes 1 by 3 into p into 100 into 5q is equal to x. Now substitute the values. 5q means 5 into q is 96 by 3 into p is 21 into 100. 21 into 100 is equal to x. Now we can take the value becomes finally 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 25 times, 3 ones, 3 eights, 3 ones, 3 eights, 3 eights is 24. So the final value becomes x is equal to 5 into 5 ones, 5 fives. So the value becomes x is equal to 8 by 105. 8 by 105 is the required value. 8 by 105 is the required value. The required answer is 8 by 105, and this is the required answer. You will get answer. So here it is 1 by 3p%, not by, it is upwards is there. Okay, next go for the next problem. In a school, 75% are girls and the boys are 625 in number. The total number of students is dash. So if the girls is 75%, automatically boys becomes 100 minus 20, 75, 25%. If the girls is 75, remaining is boys. Boys is 25%. So this boys value is, he was given 25% is equal to 625. 25% value is equal to 625. Total strength means 100% how much? 100% how much? 25 ones, 25 25s. So 25 into 100 is our strength. 25 into 100, 2500 is our strength. This is the strength of school. The strength of school is 24. So if the girls is 75%, automatically remaining are boys. Boys is 25%. So 25% boys is equal to 625. What is the total strength? 100%. How much? This is the question. Next question. If A is less than or equal to B less than so and so on, the value A is equal to 39. So he is telling less than or equal to A is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to C is less than or equal to D is less than or equal to E. He was given. Means A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to the value of E is 39. So our question is, what is the value of C? C is equal to 39. Less than or equal to was given. You can take is equal to also. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to E means E is 39. So automatically C also becomes 39. That's the required question. Next question. 25% of 60 is 11 less than x% of 15, then x is equal to dash. So this is nothing, meaning is 25% of 640 minus x% of 15 is equal to 11. This is the value. This is the difference. 25% of 640 minus x% of 15 is equal to 11 is the required value. So 25% means 25 by 100. Half means into 640 minus x% x by 100 into 15 is equal to 11. Is equal to 11. So the value becomes here 25 ones, 25 fours, 4 ones, 4 4 16 for the 160. 160. So the value becomes 160 plus 11 or 160 minus 11. So if 2560 is 11 less than 11, so you can take reverse. You can take the value as reverse only. The problem is you can take like this. Reverse you can take. X% of 15 minus 25% of 640 is equal to 11. That is the meaning. 24 640 is 11 less than, means nothing but difference is equal to 11. So x% means x by x into 15 by 100 minus 25 by 100 into 640 is equal to 11. So 15x by 100 minus 1 time 4 times, 4 ones 4, 160 times. So this 160 times sent to that side. 15x by 100 is equal to 160 plus 11. 160 plus 11. Nothing but 15x by 100 is equal to 171. 60 plus 171 is the required value. 171 is the required value. On cancellation, the value is equal to x is equal to 171 into 100 by 15. The value of x is 1140 is the required answer. On cancellation, the answer is 1140 is the value. On cancellation with the 5 table, the value is equal to 1140 is the required answer. You get the required answer. This is the question. Just difference he was given. Now go for the next question. Due to reduction of 6.1/4% in the price of onion, a person was able to buy 1 kg more. So first of all, what is 6.1/4% value of 120? 6.1/4% value of 120 is how much? 6.1 nothing but 25/4. 25/4 into 100 into 120. What is this value? So nothing but 25 ones, 25 fours, 4 ones, 430 times. 30/4 means nothing but 15/2. 15/2 means nothing but 7.5 rupees. Before reduction, the value is equal to 7.4. So before reduction means how much reduction he was given? 6.1/4. So 100 minus 6.1/4 is nothing but 100 minus 6.1/4%. This is equal to 93 2/3. 93. 1/4 means remaining is 1/4 is gone already. What is the remaining value? 1 minus 1/4 means 3/4 is remaining. 3/4% value. This value is equal to 93. 3/4% value is equal to 7.5. What is before reduction? 100%. How much? Before reduction, 100%. How much? So the value becomes nearly the 100 into 7.5. 100 into 7.5 by 93 3/4. The value is equal to nearly 8%. 8. The required answer is nearly 8 rupees is the required answer. Nearly good. The required answer is 8%. On cancellation, that value it becomes nearly 8. You are the required answer. So first of all, he was giving a 1/4% reduction on 1/120. What is how much rupees? I got 7.4 rupees after reduction. After reduction means I got only 93/4% value. That is equal to 7.5. For before reduction, I want 700%. How much? That is the question. Next question. So 5% of income of A is equal to 15% of B, and 10% of B is equal to 20% of C. If the income of C is 20,000, what is the income of A, B, C? So he was telling 5% of A. 5% of A is equal to 15% of B. From this, 5% means 5/100 into A is equal to 15/100 into B. 100 cancel 5 ones, 5 threes. So finally, I got condition A is equal to 3B condition. This is one condition. Next one, what is the next one? 20% of 10% of B. 10% of B is equal to 20% of C. So nothing but B is equal to, I got 2C. B is equal to, I got 2C. So finally, he was given C value is 20,000. C is equal to 20,000. Automatically, B is equal to 2C. B is equal to 2C. This is equal to 2 into 20,000. B is 40,000. What about A? A is equal to 3B is there. 3 into B. 3B, 3 into 40,000. The value is 1,20,000. Now the question is, then the total income of A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is equal to, A is 1,20,000. B is how much? B is 40,000. 40,000 and C is 20,000. By adding these three values, 1,80,000 is the required answer. And the answer is 1,80,000 is the required answer. 180 lakhs. He was given the 180,000. 180,000 is the answer. And this is the answer. 180,000 is the required. He was in bracket. He was in thousands of rupees. So it is 180 is the required answer. And 180 is the required values. Now go for the last problem. I hope. 2A% of B is C, then 3A% of 5B is dash. So first of all, 2a% of B. 2a% of B is C is equal to C. So the value becomes 2a means 2a by 100. 2a by 100 into B is equal to C. So the value becomes 2 ones are 250 times. So AB is equal to 50C. I got the value of AB is equal to A into 50C. Now go for the problem of this one. 3a% of B. 3a% of 5B. 3a% 3a by 100 into 5B. This is the value. So 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into AB. AB means 50C. AB means 50C by 100. By 100. 50 ones are 50 twos are. So the value is 15 by 2C. So nothing but 7.5 C is the required answer. 7.5 C is the required value. So these are the questions in previous years of I CET model. So I have given taken some speed. Actually, mathematics is speed, then only it will be for seeing it is very happy. That's why I have taken some more speed, because you have to maintain some speed, then only you will get crack the I CET examination. Those who have any doubts, you can call me to my WhatsApp number. I'll definitely respond for you. So my institute number is, this one is the number, our office number, and this is my number. So definitely from in the next days, I will go for the other important questions on I CET. I will teach you. My name is Venugopal. I'm the director of Institute DICE Academy. We're giving coaching for I CET, CAT, MAT, and as well as competitive exams like bank, SSC, railways also. So I have an experience of 23 years in the field of this competitive examinations. I will teach pure maths as well as arithmetic. Okay, see you tomorrow in the next session with the next models of I CET. If you have any doubts, call to my WhatsApp. Please send a message to my WhatsApp. I will tell you the doubts also. Don't worry. So this will be available in YouTube. This will be available in the YouTube. Please send this to your I CET students also. Okay, thank you.